हेलो एवरीवन। अब तक की जितनी स्टोरीज हमने की है ऑक्सफोर्ड रीडिंग ट्री की, उम्मीद है कि आप सबको पसंद आई होगी और आपने इनसे बहुत कुछ सीखा भी होगा। आज जो हम स्टोरी पढ़ेंगे, पहले हम इसकी वीडियो देखेंगे, फिर इसके वर्ड मीनिंग जानेंगे और फिर इसे 2 तरीकों से रीटेल करेंगे। आज की हमारी स्टोरी का नाम है द गोल्डन गूस। तो चलिए अब इसकी वीडियो देखते हैं।
Once upon a time, there lived a man who had 3 sons. The youngest son was called the simpleton. He was despised, laughed at, and neglected on every occasion. One day, the eldest son wished to go into the forest to cut wood. Before the eldest son left for the forest, his mother gave him a delicious pancake and a flask of wine so that he does not suffer from hunger or thirst. As the eldest son reached the forest, he met a little old grey man. The little old grey man wished him good day and asked for some pancake and wine as he was hungry and thirsty. But the eldest son refused and went off. Then the eldest son found a tree and began to cut it with his axe. Soon the eldest son made a wrong stroke and the axe hit him in the arm. Then the eldest son went back home. That was what came of the little grey man. Next, the second son went into the wood. The mother gave him also a pancake and a flask of wine. As the second son reached the forest, he also met the little old grey man. The old grey man asked for some pancake and wine from him. But the second son also refused. And leaving the little man standing there, he went off. The punishment followed. As the second son was cutting the tree, he hit himself in the leg so strictly that he had to be carried home. Then the youngest son, Simpleton, decided to go to the forest. The mother gave him a cake made of water and baked in the ashes along with a flask of sour beer. When Simpleton came into the forest, he also met the little old grey man. The little old grey man asked him also for his cake and wine. The simpleton agreed to give his food to the little old grey man. As Simpleton took out his flour and water cake, it became a rich pancake, and his sour beer became a good wine. Then they ate and drank happily. Before leaving, the little old man said to Simpleton, "As you are such a kind person, I will bestow good luck upon you. Yonder stands an old tree, cut it down, and at its roots you will find something." The simpleton went to the old tree and started cutting it. When the tree fell, he saw a goose with feathers of pure gold sitting among the roots. He took it and went to an inn where he planned to stay at night. The landlord had 3 daughters. When the daughters saw the goose, they were curious to know about it and desired for one of its golden feathers. As the simpleton was gone out, the eldest sister came with a desire to get the golden feathers. As she touched the goose by its wing, her finger and hand stuck to the goose. Soon after came the second sister, and as she touched her sister, she was stuck to her sister. Lastly, the third sister came, but the others screamed out, "Stay away! For heaven's sake, stay away!" But she did not listen to them. As she reached her sisters, she also stuck to them, and they stayed the same way till the next morning. The next morning, the simpleton took the goose under his arm and went away. He was unaware of the three girls that hung onto the goose. The three had to run after him. In the center of the fields they met the priest. As the priest saw the girls, he said, "Shame on you girls, running after a young fellow through the fields like this." Then he touched the youngest by the hand to drag her away. But he also stuck upon her. On the way, two peasants also joined them, and now there were 6 following the simpleton and the goose. Then they came to a town where a king reigned. The king had only daughter who was so serious that no one could make her laugh. The king had given out that whoever makes a daughter laugh can marry her. When the simpleton heard this, he went with his goose and his hangers-on into the presence of the king's daughter. When she saw 7 people one after the other, she burst out laughing. The laugh did not stop.
अच्छी लगी आपको ये स्टोरी? कितनी इंटरेस्टिंग थी ना? चलिए अब हम वर्ड मीनिंग पर आते हैं। फॉरेस्ट, जिसे उर्दू में जंगल भी कहते हैं, अ पीस ऑफ लैंड विद मैनी ट्रीज, रूड, बैड बिहेवियर और बैड मैनर्ड, परमिशन, गिविंग अथॉरिटी और अलाउिंग समवन टू डू समथिंग, इजाजत लेना, शेयर, टू हैव और यूज समथिंग विद समवन एल्स, जैसे हम भी अपनी चीजों को शेयर करते हैं, बांटना, ट्रेवलर्स, अ पर्सन हु ट्रेवल्स अ लॉट, सफर करने वाला, feather, the soft plump that covers the bodies of birds. Birds की bodies पे क्या होते हैं? Feathers. Stuck, past participle of stick, being trapped in something. चिपक जाना किसी चीज का. Appeared, to come into sight, become visible, नजर आना. तो चले अब इस स्टोरी की रिटेलिंग करते हैं. इस स्टोरी को मैं रीड करती जाऊंगी और आप भी मेरे साथ साथ रीड करेंगे और फिर इसे याद कर लेंगे. द गोल्डन गूस. Once there was a man named Dumpling. He lived in the forest with his family. The whole family thought he was stupid. One day his elder brother told his mother that he wanted to go to the forest to cut some wood for fire. His mother gave him a meat pie and a bottle of wine for lunch. Before cutting the wood, he decided to finish his meal. As he was starting the meal, an old man came and asked him to share his lunch with him. He was so rude and refused to share his meal with him. When he started to cut the tree, he hit his arm and went back home without having wood with him. Next day, the middle brother agreed to go to the jungle to get some wood. Mother packed the same lunch for him, and he did the same with the old man. As he started to cut the tree, he cut his leg and went back home without having any wood. After that, Dumpling requested his parents to give him permission to go to the forest. His mother did agree, but she packed dry bread and sour milk for his lunch, and he went happily. The same old man met him and asked for sharing his lunch. He nicely gave his lunch to him and was surprised to see a big meat pie and a bottle of wine. The old man was very happy with the generosity of Dumpling. He said that when Dumpling will cut the tree, he will get something from its roots. Dumpling found a yellow goose in the roots of the tree. He had never seen a yellow goose in his life. It was night time, so he decided to stay in a house for travelers. In the house there were 3 sisters who wanted to pull the goose feather, but as they pulled the feather, they all stuck to the goose. In the morning, walked down the road without noticing the people behind him. On his way, a teacher saw the scene. He shouted at the girls to get away from the boy, but he also stuck with him. Suddenly an office boy appeared, was waiting for the teacher for a class. He too got stuck with the group. In the end, a farmer stuck with him. All 7 people were stuck with each other. They were falling, laughing, screaming and shouting. There was a princess who lived there. She was very thoughtful and serious. She had never laughed in her life, but when she saw the whole situation, she could not resist her laugh. She laughed and laughed for a long time. When the king saw his daughter so happy after a long time, he decided to marry her daughter with Dumpling. They lived happily ever after. देखा आपने? अब किस तरह आप स्टोरी को रिटेल कर सकते हैं? आप इस स्टोरी को याद कर लेंगे और इसको फिर रिटेल करेंगे। अब मैं आपको एक-एक पिक्चर्स दिखाती जाऊंगी स्टोरी के और आप उनको देखते जाएंगे और पिक्चर्स के सीक्वेंस को याद करते रहेंगे और इसी तरह इस स्टोरी को रिटेल करेंगे। This is a story of a boy who was very simple. His name was Dumpling. He had 2 brothers. One day his elder brother took permission from his parents that he wanted to go to the forest to cut the wood. His mother packed nice lunch for him. He met an old man who asked him to share his lunch, but he was very rude. He refused to share his lunch. As he started to cut the tree, he hit his arm and went back home without having wood. Next day, the middle brother went to the jungle to cut the trees with nice lunch, and he did the same thing with the old man. When he started to cut the tree, he cut his leg and went back home without having wood. After that, Dumpling requested his parents to give him permission to go to the forest. This time, his mother packed a sour bread and dry bread for his lunch. As the same old man asked for sharing his lunch, he nicely gave his lunch to him. The old man was very happy with his generosity, and he said when Dumpling will cut the tree, he will get something from it. And Dumpling found a yellow goose from tree's root. It was night time, so he stayed in a house of Traveler. Traveler had 3 daughters who wanted goose feather. As they touched the goose, they all stick with the goose. After that, the teacher, a schoolboy, and a farmer all stuck with the goose. All 7 people were stuck with each other. They were falling, laughing, screaming, and shouting. There was a princess who lived there. She was very serious and never laughed in her life. But when she saw the whole situation, she could not resist her laugh. She laughed and laughed for a long time. When the king saw his daughter so happy, he decided to marry his daughter with Dumpling. In the end of the story, they lived happily ever after. I hope you find this story interesting. Stay home, stay safe.